Did you know the installation and programming of your telephone system can double or even triple the total cost of your new phone system? Not to mention the added future expense of professional service calls for basic programming changes or to add a telephone line or phone to your system. You certainly don't want to throw more good money away upgrading your old phone system when you can install a new X50 telephone system from XBLUE Networks for often less than the cost of an upgrade, and at the same time, set yourself free from restrictive and costly contracts of the past, as XBLUE does not require any agreements whatsoever. In the next 3 minutes or so, I'm going to demonstrate just how easy it is to self-install the award-winning X50 telephone system from XBLUE Networks, and in the process, save a lot of money. The X50 is the first voice-over IP small business telephone system specifically designed for easy and quick self-installation for any business with 2 to 24 employees. In fact, the X50 recently won the Consumer Electronics Show Design and Engineering Award for its simple and innovative self-install design. Let's take a look at the components. The X50 server, which is also a wireless router, the X50 2020 IP telephone, and the modular 24-button telephone console. And make sure you keep your X50 quick self-install guide handy for easy do-it-yourself step-by-step directions. First of all, connect the LAN port of your X50 system to the 8-port data switch provided. Of course, if you already have an existing data switch, you can use it if you prefer. To connect your telephone, plug the X50 telephone into your existing data jack and your computer into your telephone. Both your phone and your computer now work off the same data cabling and jack. If you don't have existing data cabling for every telephone, no problem. All you need is an XBLUE wireless telephone adapter. Using the Ethernet cord provided, simply connect the wireless telephone adapter to your X50 telephone. Now your X50 telephone and your computer are operating completely wirelessly with the X50 system. Absolutely no telephone or data wiring is needed. Can't get any simpler than that. The X50 is an all-inclusive system that's fully equipped with all of the features your business would ever need, which also means no additional hidden expenses to add optional features. Popular features like automatic receptionist, voicemail, caller ID, conference, and forwarding calls automatically to your cell phone are all standard features on the X50. And your X50 telephone's 6-line backlit LCD display makes all of the features very accessible and easy to use. Definitely one of the most popular benefits of the X50 system is fully integrated off-site telephone operation for a home office or remote worker. And there's no additional expenses, as all you need to install an X50 telephone off-site is an internet connection at the remote location. And for the ease of one-step calling, the X50 telephone console is also very popular. Simply plug the modular console into the side of your X50 telephone, and now you have 24 extra buttons for telephone line appearances, one-touch calling, and busy telephone indication lights to see at a glance who is on the phone. Now, to also keep things easier for all of your local and long-distance telephone calls, the X50 provides a couple of good options. You can always use traditional telephone lines provided by your telephone company or cable provider. Or, to save even more money with your X50 system, you can order XBLUE's high-quality voice-over IP telephone lines. Regardless of which option you choose, the installation of your telephone lines is very simple. If you use traditional telephone lines, plug your telephone line into the port of the system marked Line. And if you choose XBLUE's digitally integrated telephone lines, it's even simpler to install, as we use your current internet connection to set up all of your telephone lines. The final step for quick installation is to simply plug in the X50 server power cord. The X50 phones are automatically ready to go, and you're done with the physical installation. And if for any reason you ever need assistance, XBLUE's help desk is just a free phone call away.
You know, we've been working with a 20-year-old plus phone system. The office manager came to us and found a company called XBLUE Networks. We looked in one of the phones that they had. It was called the X50. Now this phone virtually did everything a small business would want to do. One of my concerns, though, was the cost of a new phone system and installing the phone system. And what I found out was with the new X50 phone system, we could install it ourselves in the matter of hours. It has virtually changed the way our business does business. Things are a lot smoother. People are able to communicate better, faster. I highly recommend, if you're interested in replacing a small business phone system, XBLUE Network is the only way to go.
As you can see, you certainly don't need to be a telephone system installation professional to self-install your own X50 telephone system. Whether you're replacing an older phone system or moving into a new office, the X50 is designed for your quick and easy installation. So hold on to your money and do it yourself with the X50.